Here I come to the elevator at the Banner parking garage. It smells very horrible here, but oh, we got one here already. Older voice. Let's go up to 6. Lag though. It's very nice. Early 2010s. Here we go. Really fast.
Not really fast, but decently. Oh no, that is pretty fast.
Yeah. Well, older voice.
Intelligent leveling too.
Yep. Let's stop on 5 on the way down so we can see we got an older button here.
And they're orange.
Yeah, they are.
Even though this has white. Even though this has white fixtures.
I wonder if they replaced the indicator.
No, this does have originally white fixtures. These buttons are replaced.
Oh, yep, it's intelligent leveling a little bit. Yep, and then you want to try nudge mode?
No.
It's.
If you want to, sure.
Yeah, it won't take long, I'm sure. I just want to get a recording of the voice on it. We're gonna go to nudge.
Remove obstruction from doors.
Please remove obstruction from doors.
Oh yeah, KONE nudge mode, like
it's really slow. It's really slow in nudge mode on opening too. This is an older Ecodisc from probably the late 2000s. This is nice though. This one runs pretty well. You can hear the other one running. Here we go. Very accelerated indicator.
First floor.
Here we are. Let's get a cat view real fast.
Alright, someone's coming up, so.
Maybe not, but it's. Do you want to try the other car or no?
No.
Someone is going up. And there it goes. And that's it.